Hello, my name is Valentino and sama nama Takena. I am from University IAI. My name number is 211-419-0010. Today my topic is International Accounting and Selling. Before of the chapter 1, Accounting in Action. What is accounting? Three activity, whose accounting data. The second is the building block of accounting, ethics in financial reporting, accounting standard, measurement principle, and assumption. The third is the basic accounting equation, asset, liability, and equity. Using the fourth is using the accounting equation, transaction analysis, summary of transaction. The last is financial statement, income statement, retained earnings statement, statement of financial position, statement of cash flow, comprehensive income statement. What is accounting? Accounting consists of the three basic activities in the TV, record and communicate. The economic event of an organization to interest users. The three activity is the identification, the select economic event or transaction. The second is recording, record procedure and summaries. The third is communication, prepare accounting report. The fourth is the analysis interpret of user. The accounting process include the bookkeeping function. Assumption. Review question. Which of the following is not a step in the accounting process? A. Identification. B. Recording. C. Economic entity. D. Communication. The answer is C. Economic entity. Who was the accounting data internal user? Finance. Is a cash sufficient to pay a dividend to SAP shareholders? Marketing. What a price a Nokia cell phone will maximize the company's net income? The next is human resource. Can we afford to give Toyota employees a pay raise this year? Management. Which a PepsiCo product line is the most profitable? Should any product line will be eliminated? The next is the external users. Creditor. Will Singaporeans be able to pay its debt as they come due? The next is the investor. Is Royal Dutch Shell earning satisfactory income? Investor. How does Disney compare in the size and profitable with the Time Warner? To it indicated whether the following statement are true or false. The three steps in the accounting process are identification, the recording, and communication, and the answer is true. The number second is the bookkeeping and commercial step in the accounting process. The answer is false. 3. Accountant prepare but do not interpret financial report. The number 3, the answer is false. The 4. The two of the most common type of external user are investor and the company officer. The answer is false. 5. Managerial accounting activity focus on the report for internal user. The answer is true. The building block of the accounting. Ethics in financial reporting. Standard of conduct by which one is action are judged as right or wrong, honest or dishonest, fair or not fair are ethics. The recent financial standard include the Enron USA, Pamalat ATI, Satyat Computer Service ENG, AEG USA, and others. The effective financial reporting depends on the sound ethical behavior. Ethics in financial and reporting. 1. Recognize an ethical situation and the ethical issue involved. Use your personal ethics to identify the ethical situation and issue. Some business and professional organizations provide the writing codes of the ethics for guidance in the some business situation. Number 2 is the identify and analyze the principal element in the situation. Identify the stakeholders, person or a group who may be harmed or benefit. Ask the question, what are the responsibility and obligation of the parties involved? The number 3, identify the alternative and weigh the impact of each alternative on various stakeholders. Select the most ethical alternative. Considering all the consequences, sometimes there will be one right answer. Other situations involve more than one right solution. This situation requires an evaluation of the each and its selection of the best alternate. Ethic insight. I feel the pressure with you. I feel the pressure. That's what are some of the areas of the now defined law firm of DV and review LLP USA indicate when they help to overstate revenue and use accounting tricks to hide loss and cover up the cash shortage. This compliance work for the finance director and former chief financial officer CFO of the firm. Here are some their comment. I was instructed by CFO to create invoice, knowing they would not be sent to client. When I create this invoice, I knew that it was inappropriate. The second is I intentionally gave the auditors incorrect information in the course of the audit. The next is I feel the pressure with you. What happened here is the small group of the lower level employees over a period of years carried out the instruction of their boss. Their boss, however, seem to have non concern as evidenced by various emails with the one another in which they refer to their financial manipulation as a accounting trick, cooking the books and the fake income. The 13th is International Accounting Standard Board (IASB). IFL International Financial Reporting. The second is FISB Financial Accounting Standard Board (FISB). United States Accounting Principle GAAP. The measurement principle, historical cost principle or the cost principle dictates that the company record assets at their cost, where public principles state that asset and liability should be reported to the fair value. The price reserved to sell an asset or the settle or liability. And for the hint, relevance and faithful representation are the two primary qualities that make accounting information useful for decision making. So this is my presentation about this discussion. I'm sorry, maybe I said the wrong word or my word is not jelas. Thank you. And thank you for watching my presentation. Thank you.